My boy just... Oh, what the fuck? Officially salvaged. Nah, that shit is wrong. It's good job, boys. We're reporting back from the 340. We're back to back, day 2, man. I'm trying to be consistent. We're back, day 2. I got my boy pulling up on me to help me out with something, which y'all will see soon. Bear with me. And then we're gonna run over to Best Buy as well to get an SD card. Because if you've seen the last video, and if you have not, the POV delivering pizza, I was talking about how I had a banger video, bro. Literally banger video. And we can't even post it because, bro, camera literally just decided it did not want to work anymore. So we can't post that video. And yeah, you know, messed up, but it's whatever. So yeah, we got something to put on the car today. First cosmetic, is I'm pretty sure, because I have not put anything on the outside of my car yet. It's been all performance. And with that being said, I put something else on the other day, and it was a part of all the files that I lost off my camera, which is sad. But hopefully tomorrow, which is Friday or Saturday, I'll have a video out talking about what I did and showing y'all how much faster it made the car. Like literally, bro, it's crazy. So yeah, when my boy gets over here, I'm gonna hop back on here and let y'all know what I copped. And let's see what we got for the 40, man. Honestly think he just drove by, but I don't know. But here's a 40. If y'all new to the channel, 2016 340i. Slowly starting to, it still looks the same as when I got it, but it's way faster. So, but yeah, we got something going on today. First cosmetic mod going on. When my boy gets here, we'll see what that is, and I'm gonna get back to y'all boys in a second. Plenty of more cosmetic. I want to get some wheels, some lowering springs. I want to wrap the roof black. Whole bunch of stuff I got. Well, I don't have it now, but that I'm gonna get over this winter, because it is coming up on winter time. Whole bunch of stuff I'm gonna buy, and I'm gonna just drop a whole bunch of content for y'all boys. So I'm gonna catch on when he gets here, and we're gonna get this put on. Bro pulled up and did a fucking pull. Look at this guy. Is that the best looking 330 in the rock? Don't fucking hit me. Always run. What is that? What does that mean? What does that mean? What are you always running from? Alright, man, we got my boy just... Oh, what the fuck? M5 spawned.
M5 with down plates.
Nah, why do shit do that when I pull the camera out? Every time I pull the camera out, some shit happens. Why is there M5 in this area? Nah, that's wild. These sequentials is what we're about to put on today. These blacked out sequential turn fucking signal shits. I got the... Oh, nah, where'd that shit go? Right here.
Yo, gang.
Trust, it fits.
You're lying.
Nah, try. Nah, these junks are 20 bucks off eBay, bro. They better fit. I ain't gonna lie. Chad, if these junks don't fit, I'm gonna be high key, not even tight. I'm gonna just send it back.
Come here and look at this, okay? I'll size this up.
Okay. Bro, I gotta go in there, bro. Just trust the process, bro.
You're right, boy.
Nah, but this shit might low key not fit.
If I line it up like this,
why are they so small?
It's too small.
Yo, what car is this for?
Not yours.
Nah, it's no way. Why is it so small? Now that I think about it. Nah, put the other one on it. Nah, that wouldn't even make sense, would it?
Dang.
They're the same shit.
Nah, because you look, your shoes down, so you're holding the right one, dickhead.
Yeah, nah, that shit. Nah. It's trust, bro. When you put it in there, it's gonna fit, bro. Trust. That has to fit. Like, I refuse to believe that does not fit.
No, okay, I kind of want something else now.
Dude! Yeah, nah, you're not running shit.
Hell no.
Nah, bro. Why didn't you take him out? Yo, 1 subscriber and I'll put some lotion on.
Yo.
But nigga, subscribe while I lotion my hands. I ain't got it like that.
We need to go to the Walgreens. Literally Walgreens right fucking there.
Alright, boom, fuck niggas. We got the...
Still a running and driving vehicle.
Oh yeah, now niggas can't say I'm Jess, because Jess don't got this cool shit like me, you know what I'm saying? Jess' car is
so cool.
Jess' car is
He
also
got an F80 wheel, you
slower than mine.
His car is more fun to drive. He's rear wheel.
I'm faster.
That don't mean shit.
I'm stronger.
It's
I'm
just
better.
lighter.
I'm better.
No.
I got a 40.
No.
I got a 40.
Nah.
40's like
I'm gonna be honest, this sounds better.
bro, B58,
You didn't exhaust.
the world, bro. I'm beating S50.
B58 the world. Yo, you need to stop. You need to be stopped.
Wait, nah, but we got this shit on. That shit's low-key fire. I hope y'all didn't think this video was a tutorial, man. I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, we ain't.
This is the wrong channel to come to. The wrong channel to come to learn anything.
We don't know shit. We just free balling.
But
Yo, how you do this shit?
let me get the other side back on. Let me get back to y'all when we get everything put back together. Alright, chat. The 40 is officially salvaged.
Yeah, some dumbass decided to break
I
the glass.
fried the mirror.
Cause you
Cracked
know.
it. Yo, the shit cracked so like weird. I thought it was just wet. I'm like, bro.
Bro thought this shit was
Why I did it? I'm like, bro. I pray to God this is water. Mirror's fried. The 40 salvaged.
You light, bro.
I'm selling it $5. If you're watching this video right now, $5 you get a 340.
I'll go get $5 on my wallet right now and send that title. And then I'm gonna go sell this shit and I'm gonna go buy my X3. I love having
40s are gapping X3Ms, chat.
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
In case you guys didn't. Yo, now I'm mad I couldn't post that last video,
Wait till I
bro.
get my shit and I'm downpipe 2 and frying you upgraded turbo.
Bro, the video that got deleted off my camera, bro, this nigga was literally spinning off a dig crazy. As if that's just not all-wheel drive.
Snap.
Oh yeah, chat.
No.
Officially salvaged. Nah, that shit is wrong. Chat, finished product. Tell me that don't look way better than Gesture, man.
It's like a regular 40i.
Hey yo, I got sequentials though, nigga. That shit look cool. My shit like an Audi now.
We'll do a dig with one. See how that works.
Anywho, man, the fucking mirror is
We'll do a
fried.
dig with Nick.
Pissed off. About to get this put back together, then I gotta run to Best Buy. So I'll catch y'all in a second. But shout out my boy for pulling up. Shout out my boy for pulling up, help me out. I'm about to run over to Best Buy and get an SD card. So yeah. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed it. We got these now, finally got. This is the first cosmetic mod I've done in my car, so plenty more to come. I broke the freaking glass on my mirror, bro, which is this junk. Salvage title. Bro, no way. Do y'all see that? It's literally salvage title. But yeah, I might get some black mirror caps. I don't know if I want carbon. I don't know, I gotta think about it. But yeah. Run over to Best Buy now, get an SD card, and get back to y'all boys when we get there. Alright, chat, we just did the signals, and you know what I'm saying, we got to do a pull to make sure the car still drives the same. It's only right you do a pull after everything you do to your car. You just got to make sure it drives the same, you know what I'm saying? But like I was saying in the last clip, I'll see y'all boys when we get to Best Buy. Boom, your boy just made it to Best Buy. I don't know if y'all seen it in any of the other parts, but we just put on the freaking sequential mirror turn signals, and I freaking broke my mirror, but it's valid though because that junk looks fire. But I'm about to run in here, grab an SD card, because the one I bought from Walmart is completely trash. Boy just picked this up. I'm about to get up out of here. This is way better than whatever I bought at freaking Walmart, bro. That junk at Walmart was trash. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get outside. Go ahead and wrap it up. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed the video. I know I keep saying it, but dang, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Thank y'all boys for 1,000 views on the last one, bro. That was crazy. Good looks. I'll be right back. Boy just got up out of there, about at the crib. But yeah, hopefully y'all boys enjoyed. You know, once again, thank y'all boys for 1,000 views on that POV, and we're at, last time I checked, 138, almost 140 subs. The goal for my last video was 200, so hopefully we hit 200, you know. And yeah, today we just got the, oh, I dropped it, y'all. Today we just got the sequential turn signals for the 40. Show y'all one more time before I go. Boom. Something slight. We about to get some more stuff. I want to get mirror caps, front lip, grill, diffuser, all that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it off here. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed. And we got a way better SD card now, so our footage will not be just vanishing. But yeah, man, let y'all boys catch y'all boys in the next video. Peace out.